Look at this! It's a real treasure map. It leads right to the ancient tree. We need to cross the river to find the secret path. The map says the next clue is hidden near a giant star. Look! I found the next clue!
Let's cross the bridge together through the sunny weather, helping friends along the way, make it a perfect day.
Wow! It is actually real! True treasure isn't found in gold. It's found in the love we share and the memories we make together.